Hey guys, so last time I did a grocery haul, you guys seemed to really like it, so today I'm going to be doing another one. All of this stuff is from HEB. If you hear, I see you. If you hear them in the background, it's because they're watching TV over there. All this stuff is from HEB, which is a local grocery store that we have here in San Antonio, Texas. And all of this stuff, I'll give you kind of an overview. So it's everything that's over here and everything that goes from here all the way over. And then we do have a few things already out in the freezer that just was a knee-jerk reaction that Andres already put away. All this stuff was about $270. So more than my last haul, but I had mentioned before that I wanted to try and like meal prep and have a bunch of stuff on hand. And that's what we did. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so over here, we're gonna start with some box products. I have some of these hamburger helpers. I didn't really get too many of these because I had already got some the last haul that were on sale, and they weren't on sale this time, so I didn't pick up too many. Some shells and cheese. We got 4 packs of the Jiffy corn muffin mix. I like to make cornbread with this for chili and stuff like that. I got these individual packs of tuna. These are great for me to take to work or just on the go. There's 6 of them. The chunk light tuna low sodium in water. I have a couple sweet treats here because I'm pregnant and that's what happens. Yes, we see you. That's what happens when you go to the grocery store and you're pregnant and you're hungry. So I have some pine nuts because I do want to make some pesto, although I totally forgot to get parsley or basil, but what are you gonna do? So I bought those. I have some brownies. I probably won't make this for a while, but I have it just in case. Fig Newtons are a great snack as long as you don't eat too many of them. I got the strawberry ones. Some frosted mini donuts and chocolate. Red velvet Oreos. And then these are for like snacks for the girls and stuff, or if like we need a quick, I don't know, snack on the go breakfast. They looked good. Again, the preggoness in me. These are the HEB brand toaster pastry, which are essentially Pop-Tarts. This is a variety pack in chocolate. We have some breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. Those are great. Some granola, HEB brand. We have the fruit strawberry one, and then the semi-sweet chocolate. Over here we have some long grain white rice, some popcorn kernels to pop in the popcorn maker that we have, some yakisoba shrimp and teriyaki beef. We also have some of the cup of noodles. I bought 2 beef, 2 chicken. We have taco shells here for taco night, 4 things of Pringles. These were on sale. I think they were 4 for $3.50. So I picked up 4 boxes of those. We got some sun-dried tomato basil wheat thins, the family size. I did get some canned goods, some enchilada sauce, the mild. I got some Wolf Brand chili, the turkey. I got 3 of those, 3 of the enchilada sauce. I got 4 things of beans, 2 of the reduced sodium black beans, and then 2 of the reduced sodium pinto beans. And then I also got 2 of the petite diced tomatoes with the garlic and olive oil. I like using that for chili. 4 cans of the no-fat refried beans. We use these for tacos or for sides whenever we have taco night and stuff like that. And then 3 cans of the small tomato sauce. This one has the oregano, garlic, and basil already in it. Basic condiments, we have some Whataburger ketchup, some mayo in olive oil. Andres' favorite jelly is grape. I like strawberry, so we got him that. And then he also got the sandwich bread. This stuff grosses me out, but he loves it. Couple packs of the just yellow corn tortillas. I got some raw almonds to snack on. 3 things of the Classico sun-dried tomato Alfredo sauce. I didn't get any pasta this time because I still had plenty of pasta, but I did need a few more sauces. This is so random, but it was so cheap. It's chamoy, which is like a Mexican sweet liquid candy. And we bought some, these are the things that are already in the freezer, some orange sherbet and some coconut mango ice cream to kind of make our own mangonadas. So we bought that. I got some toasted sesame oil to make an Asian dish that I've been wanting to make, but I forgot to pick up some cabbage for it, so I'm gonna have to go back for that. 4 packs of pudding. All 4 of them are sugar-free. 2 packs of chocolate, which is Maddie's favorite. 2 packs of vanilla, which is Emmy's favorite. Some all-purpose flour. I needed that for pizza making. We have a couple bags of chips, some Cool Ranch Doritos, Sentitas, yeah, which is just like corn chips. Cinnamon toasters, which is like the generic of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Berry Crunch, which is like the generic of, is it Captain Crunch? I think, or Captain Berry Crunch, something like that. Over here we have a 12-pack of lean pockets. This is pepperoni. We also have another 12-pack of ham and cheese that's already in the outside freezer. And then plus those 2 things of sherbet. Those are already in the outside freezer as well. We have 2 packs of the Texas Toast 5 cheese. Got 2 of those. Some seasoned curly fries, waffle fries. These were actually free with these. When you bought 2 of those, you got a free cheesecake with each. So these are the Sara Lee. I got the strawberry original cream cheesecake and then just an original cream classic. I've never had cheesecake like this, so that should be interesting. I only got a couple of the actual frozen meals from Michelina's, chicken fried rice, and 2 of the tortellini Alfredo, 2 things of orange juice, 2 things of milk, which we've already used 1 for the girls' dinner tonight. A pack of celery sticks, and I got this one that's like washed and prepped already, so we could just take it on the go. The other one's cheaper, but it's easier. This one's easier, so we decided to try that. I got some sweet potatoes, a honeydew melon, big thing of strawberries, big thing of sweet bite-sized tomatoes, and this one has like the variety grape tomato and orange tomato, and then a big thing of organic baby spinach, 2 things of bananas, some white peaches, green apples, a pineapple, watermelon, seedless watermelon, some pears. And then during my last haul, a bunch of you were telling me how unhealthy just in general canned vegetables are. They have a lot of extra salt and sodium and stuff like that. So I decided to go with frozen vegetables this time and see how it goes. So we got a pack of peas and carrots, 2 packs of this, oh, I didn't even realize it said super sweet corn. But just regular corn, and then we got some sweet corn cobettes, which are like the little corn on a cob. Got a pack of green beans and a pack of broccoli florets. I got some Crescent Rolls, just the original. Oh, it's the rounds. No, that should probably work. Dang it. I think that's the wrong one. Dang, I thought they were the Crescent Rolls. I was going to try a taco ring from Miss Gold Girl's recipe. 2 things of Yoplait yogurt. We have a peach and strawberry banana. A pack of cooked ham. I can't eat this right now since I'm pregnant, but this is for Andres and the girls. Some beef ballpark franks, just like the big jumbo pack. I also, you guys know that we recently bought, if you follow my vlogs daily, HEB recently had their ground turkey, the lean ground turkey, on sale for like $2 a tube, so we bought 20 of them. So really the only meat that we need, we still had pork chops and stew meat left over from the last grocery haul, so I picked up 5 packs of this thinly sliced boneless skinless chicken breast, and these were like $3 a pack, so really they're about a pound. This is perfect for a meal for us, so I picked up 5 of those. I got another queso fresco, which is our favorite for enchiladas, some Philadelphia cream cheese in the chive. This is the whipped version. I love that with my bagels and stuff. A big old pack of natural string cheese. The Greek whipped yogurt are our favorites, so I picked up 2 of the peaches and cream, 2 strawberry cheesecake, and 2 of the coconut macaron. French onion dip, some tostadas for taco night, some shredded mozzarella for either pizzas or taco night. And then lastly we have our breads. So I got some hamburger buns for hamburgers one night, hot dog buns for hot dogs. We have some English muffins, some everything bagels, and then some of our favorite bread. So just like with every video that I produce, take it for what it is. This is the stuff that we buy, and this will last us about a month. Typically, I like to spend about $150 every 2 weeks, and we spent $270 for about a month worth of groceries. So it'll definitely last us a long time. These types of things may not be great for your family. It may not be choices that you would make. We don't claim to be the healthiest family in the world by any means. We try a little bit, but you know, we can only do so much because we like the fattening foods. So I would appreciate any positivity. The last grocery haul that I had a lot of positive feedback on it, and I really appreciate that. So once again, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!